Can I call you Javas?
I'm afraid I can't help you make a flying suit.
Who is Javas?
Searching the web for who is Jarvis.
Browser need to update. Call me Tony Stark.
From now on, I'll call you Tony Stark. Okay?
No.
Okay.
Can I call you Google Assistant?
I'm not sure I understand.
Can I call you Gemini?
I'm not sure I understand.
Can I call you Gemini?
I'm not sure I understand.
What should I call you?
I'm Siri. Pleased to meet you.
Can I change your name?
My name is Siri.
How about Siri AI?
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you. Could you please repeat what you said?
How about I call you Siri AI?
I'm not sure I understand.
She just ignored. In iOS 27, Siri now called Siri AI.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you please repeat it?
In iOS 27, Siri is now called Siri AI.
I didn't get that. Try tapping above to edit.
Oh, can tap to edit too. So nice. Siri AI.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
She just ignored. Okay, iOS 6.